Hello, and welcome to another video tutorial with Sara Hooser. Today, I'll be showing you how to use one of the databases available to you through the Benbrook Public Library's website. The database is called Tutor.com, and it's a service of the Princeton Review. This database is designed for any age student from kindergarten up to college level. The website offers live tutoring, quizzes, or you can even submit work for review by tutors. They also have test preparation tools. The feature that I'm going to show you today is how to watch videos for math or English. Let's get started. We're at the home screen, and you'll see a menu bar across the top of the screen. Go all the way over to the right side and you'll see a tab called Other Tools. Click on the drop-down menu and scroll to the bottom where it says Watch Videos for Math and English. On the next screen, you'll see different math skills and language arts skills that you can choose from. Scroll all the way down and choose the subject that you would like to learn more about. I'm going to choose algebra. When I click on algebra, it brings up different videos relating to a variety of topics. There are 21 different videos to choose from in the algebra menu. I'm going to choose the Introduction to Algebra. Just click Watch Video, and it will open your video in a new window in your browser. You can always go back to the first tab where the menu is and pick another video. I'm going to choose Rules of Exponents. This opens into another window in your browser. I'm going to go back to the menu and pick a video on roots. Now you know how to access Tutor.com database through the Benbrook Public Library's website, and you can watch tutorial videos on math or English topics anytime you need to. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and I hope it helps you be a better student.